Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to be looking at another Nautica watch. Haven't looked at one of these for a while, so I thought I'd look at the N83 one today. So I'm just putting my gloves on, then we'll unbox it. So initial look at the outside cover, obviously just a very simple cardboard outside cover. As you can see there, the more full model number on that. We're revealing a nice blue and yellow, navy blue and yellow detailing style box. Obviously a nice little yellow print go around the side of it, all around there. A simple lift off lid. Again, the watch box seams can be seen a little bit on the side, but it's not too bad really. The biggest element is obviously the watch. So let's have a look with the watch inside. Very nicely packaged together. I've got this cardboard style Rubicon watch company. I think this is the actual seller that I bought it from. Manual tucked into the side here, and obviously the Nautica watch sitting on a nice navy blue matching style sock, cushion or whatever you want to call it. Obviously full guarantees and stuff like that in there. Actually, that's not a guarantee. Sorry, that's just the bottom of the box. Sort that out in a minute. Try to see if this has got a cover on it. So here we go guys, this is the Nautica N83, 44mm with a 12mm case thickness. Retails around about £60, probably weighs about 100, 150, no not 150, probably about 125, 100, probably because of the strap that they're using on it, and used the full quartz movement, didn't specify the spec online. So let's have a look at the face. So the face is a matte blue style face with that N83 print in there. Fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments, and a nice red second hand just to match that outside strap. Full sort of inside case markings consistent with a diver's bezel, a diver's sort of watch. 100-meter water resistance with this watch, so it is suitable for diving down to that depth. But be careful of the glass because it is mineral glass, it's not sapphire. Let's have a look at the bezel. Bezel is fixed in place, so it's just obviously a design feature, that bezel there. If it's a diver's watch, it should adjust, but it's no matter if it goes the opposite way. No, it is fixed. The fixed bezel in place. Coming down to the casing, a nice brush finish on the outside of the casing. Consistent going all the way around. No sort of extra markings on the side for the model or the release number, etc. Invicta do that sort of thing. They have the brand imprinted on the side. So going down to the crown. So the crown is a sort of a brush finish as well. Let's have a look at how the hands move. A very nice, strong movement to the crown there. So it's a decent quality crown, especially for £60. I'm impressed. But again, there's not so much that they can do wrong with it because there's no date dial. It's a single position crown. Very nice, strong movement to that and a decent amount of play. Do hear a little bit of a cheap click when you push that in. It sounds a bit hollow. But no matter, the actual crown does feel nice, so don't be fooled by that. It does feel nice, but even though it doesn't sound it, it's a decent crown, so don't worry about that. Time will tell about the quality of it. The only thing that does annoy me is the fact that the second hand doesn't quite line up with the increments, as you can see here. So yeah, half past it's jumped past it should be in the middle. So coming down to the strap, you've got a silicone style, sporty style strap, 22mm in width. It's got a sort of sporty edge to it. You've even got your, this is quite a unique feature actually you get from this watch. You get obviously your depth and your time that you should spend at that depth. I think that's what it is. And coming down to the holes on the strap and the buckle, you've got a nice Nautica embossed buckle here. Two holders for the strap to go on. Single holes for the strap they actually expand as they get towards the middle. I think, is that right? It looks like they're getting bigger, they're not actually, they're just sitting there. And then just some extra breathing holes on the side here. Quite a nice touch, that. And it's got, the strap's got a decent amount of grip on it as well, so that'll stick on your wrist quite nicely when it's worn loose. Two holders that are free to roam. One's not fixed in place like you might expect. Looking at the back plate, full Nautica back plate, stainless steel casing, of course. A little bit more information about the watch on the back as well. Oh, it says 50 meters, is it? Oh, okay. Sorry about that, guys. It's 50 meters water resistance, not 100. It does say 100 on the spec, so don't be fooled by that. And a Philippine movement, apparently. So there we go. That is the Nautica N83.